Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use DigitalOcean VPC. A virtual private cloud is a virtual network dedicated to your DigitalOcean account, providing a secure and isolated environment for your resources. To get started, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the VPC section. Here you can create a new VPC by specifying a name, region, and IPv4 range. Choose a region that is closest to your users to minimize latency. The IPv4 range should be a private IP range, such as 10.0.0.0/16, to avoid conflicts with public IP addresses. Once your VPC is created, you can create networks within it. These networks can be used to organize your droplets and other resources into different subnets. When creating a network, specify the IPv4 range and subnet mask. You can also add tags to your networks for easier management. To use your VPC, you need to create droplets within it. When creating a droplet, select the VPC and network you want to use. You can also configure the droplet's IP address and other network settings. It is essential to configure security settings for your VPC. You can create firewall rules to control incoming and outgoing traffic to your droplets. You can also create load balancers to distribute traffic across multiple droplets. To monitor and manage your VPC, use the DigitalOcean dashboard. Here you can view metrics and logs for your droplets and networks. You can also use the DigitalOcean API to automate tasks and integrate your VPC with other services. Best practices for using DigitalOcean VPC include using a consistent naming convention for your VPCs and networks, regularly updating your firewall rules, and monitoring your metrics and logs. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and efficient virtual private cloud on DigitalOcean.